Oh my god. Oh my, what's going on? Wait, are those? It's like, it's been leaked for thousands of days. Like, so much. Oh. It's here now. Yes. Oh my god. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll do a face review for this. I'll do a face review if this video gets 1,000 likes. No, 2,000, I mean. 2,000 likes. I'm doing a face review. 2,000, right? You need money? I thought you need V-Bucks. Come on. Yeah, but I don't even have enough. I know what this video is going to be about anyways. I knew it, but then I forgot. I'm so confused what this is going to be about. Am I just going to do memes all day here? Okay, I guess I'm doing a question mark, brackets. I don't know what this video is going to be about. Part 2. I'm just going to do random doors. Or should I say solo doors? It's going to be solo doors. Yeah, I'm actually going to make this a solo door actually. Not a question mark, whatever. Part 2. I actually like the fish one a lot. Fishy the bees. Yes, solo doors or normal doors. I want to do normal doors. I'm scared. I'm bad at the game. You know what? I'm just gonna invite some of my random friends. I don't know, accept any friend request. So I'm down for it. 2 others, T-Mobile. Act like nothing has went wrong. Hello? Hello? Is anybody here? Hello? Okay, bye. That was weird. No one was there, so I guess I have to leave. Okay, that's so join party. Act like nothing right now. Hello? What up? Hello? Wait, this matches. No blobs. Call back later. Now dance. Okay, hello? Do you have a mic? Do it in chat. Do you have a mic? Go to whisper to me. Do you have a mic? Hello? By the way, you're on YouTube. This is very embarrassing with a random person who I don't know. You're on YouTube. This is very weird with a random person who I don't know when I'm telling him he is on YouTube. He's in Nintendo Play. Wait, I think I know him. Huh. It's just that. Let me rerun back to where I was. So, I don't know. Go! 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 I never went there before, actually. I think it's the one that has Lexi in it. How are people already up to level 23 when I'm up to level 4? I'm just so confused. They play like for like 5 hours a day. I can only play for 1 hour a day. Ooh. I feel scared. Hello? Hello? Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I'm out. I'm out. I killed this flab. And nothing. People are trying to kill me! These noobs! These bots! They're trying to kill me when I don't even have a weapon. Now you're coming to have payback here. Come in, do your... Oh, there's a secret lab underneath. Ooh. Ooh, this might go... For me, I feel like the Takiwaki is like now in power. Open. I didn't... Oh no. Oh jeez. I'm just killing whatever. I am so glitchy right now. I feel like he's so shocked right now that I'm filming a YouTube channel. It's not fake. You could say hi to the viewers if you have a mic. Did he? Yep, he's... Wait, there's this thing on Google. It's called landingtutorial.com. Like, I'm gonna try that. I tried it once. I've seen it, but it should be this one. Yeah, it's this. Okay, so give me that. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, that way, that way. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. Before I get already started, there's like about it, and I'm going here. And let's stop. Stop there. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna stop there. Jump there. I mean, we're gonna go. Yeah. I think it was there. I don't know. I think I did it wrong. No, we're gonna do our deploys there. Okay, yep, I did my maths wrong. We're going here. Don't follow my... Oh, okay. Let's just go to Pleasant. Let's just go to Pleasant. PBs. I did definitely do my calculations wrong. You know what? Toyo.com. I'm getting that ready for next. No! Otakiwaki. I hate grenades. Wait, sometimes they'll be useful, so but they're gonna be lots of monsters. I've like been in every door in this location. Well, they're still coming here. Oh, my hood is out playing on my house. Where is that chest? If it was there, I'll be so mad. Sounds? Is there even an underground base here? If there's an underground base, I'll be so crazy. Is it on top of me? If it's on top of me, I'll be so mad. No, it's up. I swear to God, it's up. Knew it! I've been checking around for you for 1,000 years. Oh, I see. Takiwaki time. Talk to us in GLEJ. Oh, not them! They're the exact same as my bodies. Dun, 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 dun. Oh no, the tactic. If I'm gonna die to these nudes, I'll be so mad. I'm not even doing any shots! You know what? Get him, grenades! I knew you'll be useful for one time. Okay, yeah, they're not even good. They have aimbot! Wait, if you die, can you report them? Imagine you're just reporting Epic Games. Okay, yeah, we didn't have time for this video. Oh no, the music's getting higher, so I think they're coming closer. Aha! It's meme time, people! Wait, no. Oh, I actually got them with my meme. Got him. Guys, this weird picture girl showed up on my screen. Okay, what you got it? Okay. Okay, yes, I said thanks. My whole loadout is blue, actually. Oh, the video is about to end, guys. No one sees me. The voice Mandalorian buddies, but the video is gonna end. We're still buddies. I can't believe I took one of them down with my main strat. That was like the most stupidest meme ever. And I still took them down. I think it was called IQ guards. Why? Do they have a lot of IQ? Okay, this video is gonna end in 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.